Are you looking for a way to have safe drinking water? Well, let's look at this product. Hey everybody, welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Anley, and today we're going to be looking at the Pureal under sink water filter system. As you know, in each episode we do a full unboxing and review. So let's get into it.
Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. Let's look at the Pureal Global. This is the under sink water filter system. Looks awesome. Let's unbox it. It's got great packaging. It's got some information on it. You got the plumbing pipes right here that you're going to need to connect under your sink to the system, as well as some of the converters and wraps. You have your sticker guide right here, which just helps you kind of balance everything out and make sure you get it where you need it. We have the user manual right here, all the information you'll need to set it up and install it under your sink. Both filters are included right here. Looks like they are different, so they're going to filter different things. This one says 6 months, 5,000 gallons. This one says 12 months, 10,000 gallons. That's a lot of water purified. And finally, the hub itself, the little docking right there. Those filters go in here and this mounts to the wall, and then you run your water into it and out of it. Very nice. Pureal, great job. Can't wait to install this. So let's do it.
Water filtration functions. This under sink system includes sediment, alkaline ball, carbon block mineral ball ceramics, KDF, and polyphosphate. It comes with 2 filters and can realize 5-stage deep filtration to reduce chlorine, rust, dust, bad taste, odor, heavy metal, harmful substances, etc. And PPF-1000 filter is certified by NSF 42 and 372. This system does not lower TDS, but it leaves a better taste of water and essential minerals such as calcium, potassium, sodium, and magnesium. Easy to install. Come with 3 8-inch directly connect hoses that fit standard 3 8-inch feed water valves under US kitchen sink. This water filter system also comes with 3 8-inch, 2 1/2-inch converter fittings that allow the system to directly install to the existing both 1/2-inch and 3 8-inch cold water line and faucet under your sink. We have a technology with easy installation for your drinking water. We provide a quick twist connection for easy tool-free, no-mess filter replacement. Long lifespan and money saving. PPF-1020 first filter has a 5K gallon capacity, and PPF-1000 second filter has a 10K gallon capacity. It can make the same amount of drinking water as more than 75,000 of bottled waters. This system with high capacity can be used for 1 year. Depending on the installation environment, it would be recommended to replace it before then for better filtration. Not only lowering your cost, but also reducing the waste of plastics. Compatibility and package. PPF-1020 replacement water filters compatible for Everpure QL3B, QL3 head connector. They can provide reasonable prices without sacrificing quality. It contains under sink water filtration system, 2-stage connector, and 10-inch filters, PPF-1000, PPF-1020, braided hose, Teflon tape, thread 1/2-inch, thread 3 8-inch, screws manual, fast flow rate and multiple uses. It is designed to flow at the rate of your faucet up to 1.5 gallons per minute, minimizing water pressure loss commonly seen with using water filters. Fast and stable water flow ensures the system is well developed for both household and commercial use. This under-sink water filter system can be installed in your kitchen, bathroom, RV, or office to meet your daily water needs. Wow, Pureal, thanks to you, I can now trust tap water. We'd like to give a huge shout out to Pureal for sponsoring this video. All of their links will be down below in the description. I've been today's host, Anley. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye!